Hey guys, so we want to find the derivative of this function, which is a difference of two inverse trig functions. So to take the derivative of this, f prime of x, so the 8's a constant, and now for the sine inverse, and really for the cosecant inverse, we should probably make notes off to the side here, but the derivative of sine inverse, and this is something you'll probably have to memorize, or hopefully your teacher will let you keep a chart in your notes. But the derivative of sine inverse is, and I'm actually looking at notes too, 1 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then x can't equal plus or minus 1. And then for cosecant inverse, the derivative of that is negative 1 over the absolute value of x times the square root of x squared minus 1. And once again, x can't equal plus or minus 1 because that puts you a 0 in the denominator. So that's the whole reason this is here, is just because you can't have a 0 in the denominator. So back to the derivative. So we have 8 times, because that's an 8, it's a constant, it's in the front. It's a constant being multiplied by the sine inverse. So it's just 8 times. And then the derivative of sine inverse is this 1 over root 1 minus x squared. And then we have a minus 2. So that negative 2 is a multiplicative constant as well. So we just leave it there. And it's going to be multiplied by the derivative of this cosecant inverse, which is negative 1 over absolute value of x, square root of x squared minus 1. So now to clean this up, the 8 distributes. So it becomes 8 over the square root of 1 minus x squared. And then this negative 2 distributes with a negative 1 and becomes a positive 2. And then we just copy down all this stuff on the bottom. And this should be the answer to our question. We can check it. And it's hard to see it in there. So I just moved it over and we can see it's the exact same thing. So that's how to do these problems. If you want to try more of these, I have a page on andymath.com that even has the chart with all of the derivatives of the trig inverse functions. I'll show it to you right now. So here's the page right here, inverse trig derivatives on andymath.com. So here's the notes right here, nice table summarizing it. You can copy it down for your note sheet or just favorite this tab or something right before your test. And on this page, there's more practice problems. Here's the one we just did, number 2. And there's already a video for number 1. And there's just more of these. Arctan means the same thing as tangent inverse. I even mentioned that up here. So arctan is the same thing as tangent inverse. Just another way of writing it. You can try some of these other problems, 10 of them in total you can try out. There's also related pages for much more derivative concepts. I'll include a link down below in the description if you want to visit this page. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps out. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.